And know that your possessions and your children are but a trial, and that surely with Allah is a mighty reward. Everyone on earth will pass away, but the face of your Lord will remain, Master of majesty and generosity. The life of this world is nothing but the enjoyment of delusion. Time destroys everything, just like our youth and beauty are destroyed in time, which no one can ever change. That is the law of God, which everyone has to abide by, no matter who and what we are. The countdown to the death of every single one of us has already begun. Every single ticking of the clock is taking us one step closer to the moment of truth when we will be breathing our very last breath. Closer and closer to mankind comes their reckoning, yet they heed not and they turn away. Truly, the life of this world is nothing but a quick passing enjoyment, and verily, the hereafter, that is the home that will remain forever.
سنريهم آياتنا في الآفاق وفي أنفسهم حتى يتبين لهم أنه الحق